In this video, let's talk about Nano Dimension stock with a incredible setup on the daily and the weekly setup, and really reminding me of our play on Rivian where it was consolidating, then it broke up and it had a massive run to the upside, which looks really just like Rivian. And not only that, it is a $2 stock, $2.89. So once it starts to move and once it starts breaking out, there's some huge potential, to the upside, just like our play on Ford, where once it started, breaking out, it had a incredible run up. So let's go over the chart. Make sure you subscribe with the notifications on so you guys can get alerted, and share it with a friend if you guys really like these videos. Make sure to follow me on Twitter to get posted on charts and alerts. And then thank you for the comment of mine about Nano Dimension, and that is how I kind of got the idea. And make sure to check out Moomoo, link in the description, for some free stock. So let's get started with Nano Dimension. Overall, we have, we're in this downtrend, and now we are trading sideways in this channel. And if we go on the daily time frame, we have we have a support and then we have a resistance. So we have this area where price keeps bouncing off this level, and then we have a price which is the roof where the price keeps rejecting. So we actually want to be buying in at the green area at $2.25. If we actually buy in this area, that's around a 40% gain just off playing the support for this stock. So there's a lot of potential and a lot of profit to be made with this stock if we buy in at the level of support. But then another way is if it starts to break out, we could get a massive pop to the upside. And this is a very similar play on Rivian. Rivian was trading sideways, and then once it broke out, it had massive volume spike, and it broke out and it just broke records. And that was around a 50% gain. Now imagine NNDM, which is a $2.89, stock. Once it starts to move, it moves really fast. So Nano Dimension looks good. I want to go over a little bit over the price targets with Nano Dimension, and then I want to go over the stop loss and all of that. So these are kind of our price targets for Nano Dimension. Now, one thing to really keep in mind is, when do we want to buy in? So honestly, it really doesn't look good right here, and especially if we buy in right here, our stop loss has to be the close below the support. So our stop loss, that is going to be around a 25% loss. So honestly, it would have been a better buy at the level of support. But if it closes above this level of resistance, okay, if we close above, the resistance becomes a support. So for example, with Rivian, once we broke this resistance, okay, this is a level of resistance, price is just trading sideways, and then once we broke that resistance, the resistance became the support. So once we broke that, it bounced off of this level and then had a massive spike. So as we called with our Rivian play, once we break above, our stop loss for Nano Dimension stock is going to be $3.15. So if we break above, and our stop loss is going to be this area, and if it closes below, that is our stop loss. So we need to hold this area and then head higher to the upside, just like the play on Rivian. So I really like this play on Nano Dimension. It just depends on when we break out, and if we can break out and hold this level at the level of resistance, but then it becomes the support. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very simple. Hope you guys kind of understood, learned something off of the play, off of this chart. And I'll keep you guys updated on Twitter, as well as all the discords that I alert for on this play and when I am looking to enter in. Overall, subscribe with the notifications on, and make sure to check out Moomoo, and see you guys later.